Greetings, Benjamin J from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that Lionel 229 that had the broken rear truck. So the truck is repaired and installed on the locomotive. So I just added this tender. I'm going to do a quick test, take this around, see how it runs. That's running perfect. So, apparently the epoxy is going to hold. I'll run this the rest of the day just to make sure, but so far so good. The truck is running perfectly, no problems. Wheel can't pop out anymore, so this should be repaired. Bring it around and take a look at it. All right, so as you see, just glancing at it, you would never know it was actually broken. So this steel reinforced epoxy works. There's no doubt about that. As you can see, that doesn't really look like it's been repaired. That's the kind of repair that works really well, the kind you can't really see. So anyway, I'll just keep an eye on this for the rest of the day. And as long as this epoxy holds, we're set. I doubt if the vibration is going to break this loose. So, like I said, I'll just run it the rest of the day and find out. But I straightened the drawbar, and the locomotive is up and running. All right, let's put this back on the, oops. There we go. All right, front truck is on, rear truck is on. So it appears to be fixed. It's actually running quite well. And of course, now that that's repaired, that wheel can't pop out of its place in the truck anymore. But as you see, this is running quite well. 22 bucks. Really difficult to beat that. And as you see, running problem-free, no problem with this at all. All right. That's gratifying. All right, so the Lionel 229 is complete and repaired. So I'm going to run it the rest of the day just to make sure that mend holds. I'm sure it will. I mean, that stuff is pretty tough. I really don't think vibration is going to break it loose. And that stuff gets hard as glass. So the truck is repaired, up and running. A Lionel 229. This is 1939. And it is up and running, ready to go. All right, just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.